Hey everybody, today is Saturday the 27th and we have a puppy party happening right now. We are enjoying the sunny, warmer weather despite the Christmas time of year. These pups are loving it. We have Tulip's puppies. They have the polka dot ribbons. We have Oakley's puppies. They have the plaid ribbons. And we have Daffodil's puppies, and they have the solid ribbons. It's going to be a little bit tricky to keep them all identified on a video. Trust me, these pups are smart. They are having a blast, and these guys are just going to love it. We have a few surprises out for the puppies right now. So as they develop their confidence out here, we have some little prizes for them. So as they get out and explore and work up their confidence levels, then they're going to find these little treats. So it's a little bit of a scavenger hunt for them to see who's going to find a treat. And I can already tell that most of these treats have already been found. And there's Oakley's Mr. Orange. I'm going to follow these guys around. I do have to tell you, we have one naked puppy. So Daffodil's, this purple, her ribbon just does not stay on. It's a very slippery ribbon texture. It's kind of a plastic texture, and it will not stay on. So these are consistently naked puppies, and we're not worried about keeping track of who is who. We know who they are and where they belong, and these puppies are all microchipped. So worst case scenario, if we get a couple of puppies without ribbons on, we have our own scanner we can figure out. So no worries there. So I'm going to stop talking and let you watch these guys have shots. These Tulip's pups are going on 6 weeks old now, and Oakley's pups are old enough to start going home, and Daffodil's pups are 6 weeks now. So Tulips are polka dots, Daffodils are the solids, and Oakley's are the plaids. So the plaid pink, Oakley's pink, here's Oakley's green, and who do we have over here? We have Tulip's pink. Look at her go. Daffodil's green. We have lots of fun happening. I will probably say we're going to see some traffic jams and some intersection crashes as these guys run around, stretch their legs, and have a blast. They're going to run into each other. They're still figuring out how to run the brakes. They're doing this. Daffodil's green. We have Tulip's red. Daffodil's blue. Again, this is Daffodil's purple. Daffodil's black. And we have Tulip's gray. And who do we have right line? So we have Tulip's pink, right lining, dot. Oakley's pink, blue. Tulip's Mr. Blue. Oakley's Mr. Green. A few toys that they can run around and carry around. Ropes, some toys. Toy balls that they can run around with. And the favorite right now is fall leaves. Haven't been cleaning up the leaves the last little bit. The storms we've gone through. So there's plenty of little leaf litter debris around. So Tulips, Miss Teal. This pink, her colors. This is Daffy's pink. Really excited to see these pups' enthusiasm for everything that's going on. There's a playing, running around, having a blast. Love to see their confidence as they explore all these obstacles, figure everything out. Everybody take turns on a few things. On the stone. Tulips, Mr. Red. Get this little stuff. There we go. Daffodils, Mr. Blue. Daffodils green. Oakley's green. And we've got two pinks. Oakley's pink. Let's see. Oh, okay. Trying to give everybody some screen time. We got Oakley's Mr. Black. I'm not sure where he's been. I don't think I've caught up with him very much. We got some pups that are kind of hanging out, exploring perimeters. So at this age, they're very focused on exploring perimeters, figuring out where they're at. For them to check back in with their back. So those are going to explore perimeters, then they're going to check back in with me, and then explorers over here. Beach ball. Full season. We got a beach ball. Daffodils black here. Daffodils Mr. Green. Tulips red. Spent a lot of screen time. So we got these guys taking a little drink out of this. This is kind of a water obstacle tray that we fill up with water. It's got some water in it. I'm going to dump it out. Dump the wet leaves out. You don't need a drink of wet leaves. Daffodil purple, naked puppies. pink. That's his purple makeup pup. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Do these challenges where they face each other and munch on each other. Tulip's gray, hanging out with me. Oakley's gray. Oakley's green. Jackie's purple. Got a few pups playing with the plant. Let's stand this one back up. Here we go. Let's see who wants to play with the beach ball. See if I can get a few of them interested in it. Here we go. Here we go. Anybody gonna chase the beach ball? Tulip's gray, he's going for it. Pause this one. Let's do the camera keep going. Okay, I'm back. So we have two cameras going. We're going to do two different videos. One's going to be mounted stationary camera on the fence. It's going to be me doing the second video up close enough. Watch puppy videos until you're drunk. It's playing, running around, having a blast, doing their thing. There's gas out. Time to shine. Tulips gray. Oprah's pink. Tulips teal. Jackie's blue. Oprah's white. We got Oprah's black. We got Tulips blue. You made it into the ball pit. It's a trick to climb in. Trick to climb out. Oprah's black. Oakley's green. Oakley's blue. They're having a challenge match. They're pretty good sized pups. Tulips blue. Tulips teal. Jackie's black. Jackie's blue. pups. So we work with the pups on recall. If you can tell, when I whistle, they run. They're coming. Jackie's pups are size bigger than the others. We got a couple of the other pups that are pretty good size compared to their litter. Oakley's got one, a pretty good size pup. black, tulips gray, tulips red, uglies green, tulips teal. Uglies pink. Uglies black. See if I can get the others coming. Puppy puppies! Puppy puppy puppies! Puppy puppies! Puppies! Hey! Hey puppies! Hey puppies! Come on! Come on! Hey! Good puppies! Good puppies! Good puppies! That was good, Oakley. Spray. That's good. Session for the pups, which is our kind of intentional way of conditioning the pups for lots of different scenarios. They've got to do some problem solving. They have a fun time doing it. It's mental exercise, it's physical exercise, it's social exercise. And we get to develop some confidence. We get to have some different learning experience. We get to work on their social skills with all the other litter mates that they get to interact